Have you ever envisioned owning a thriving rental property empire? The journey begins with selecting the right location, a cornerstone of success. Yet, securing financing can be a maze of complexity. Fear not, for every challenge, there's a strategic solution. Effective property management is the key to unlocking maximum returns. Discover how to turn market selection from a challenge into an opportunity. Learn the art of leveraging financing to propel your investment forward. Effective management techniques ensure your properties are always in demand. Maximizing returns isn't just a goal, it's a reality for the informed investor. Real-world case studies exemplify the power of strategic location selection. Financing options abound, but the right choice can make all the difference. Mastering property management leads to lasting tenant relationships. The benefits of a well-built portfolio extend beyond financial gains. Embrace the strategies that transform challenges into your greatest victories. Join the ranks of those who've built a rental property empire. Start today.